Oh, on.
Oni,
Dog.
what happened?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Bruh. Birds are hunting. Alright peeps, we pulled up by Reef. It was pumping, and a lot of the time when you pull up and it looks 5 foot, those sets start coming in. It's like 6 foot, but just like a weird wave, and I wasn't feeling it and got smoked. Just getting over it. Want to go to the more perfect wave. Anyways, till the next session, take some vids of the younger bro, Destorino. Take some quick vids of him, because he charges harder than me. I'm gonna go take a breather. Shoot. was a pretty fun session. Gonna do a quick outro here. So far the trip has been sick, you know. It's freaking paradise. Warm water, empty waves, good fishing, but I just haven't been surfing well personally. Fishing, been struggling. It's mainly just because I've been in my head about some shit, and it's like kind of affecting, you know, it is what it is. It's life. We all got our own issues, but in general it's been good. I've caught a couple sick fish and caught in some good waves. This is probably my best session so far, and there's Des on a nug out there. A little bumpy now, but earlier was pretty sick. Yeah, even in paradise, you know, even in the most epic spot in the world, you still have your stressors and shit. So anyways, had a good session, and that's about it. I'm about to get wrecked by this whitewash. But yeah, that's about it, people. Like I said, we've been scoring some good surfing, some good fishing, but haven't been scoring nearly as hard as I want to. It's totally chill. We'll get after. We still got like 5, 6 days left, and yeah, still frothing. Gonna keep it going, and yeah, like and sub, help the channel grow. Post as much as I can. Vinaka Fiji, beauty times. Mwah. See you later. Shoot. All right. Lucky crab in his mouth. Oh yeah. Little skippies. Oh, you man. Oh no, he's there. Oh yeah. He's been casting. Oi. Fabian. Woo. Sweating. Oh, he's down deep, this one. Fuck, you can cast another one. Little bit. Oh yeah. Let's go. He's coming. Nice one. Not too big. He's just fighting. Ah. Ay, man. Nice and slow. Bring him home. Just grab the leader, George. Not the blue line. The other line. Yeah. Or else it'll snap. Oh, you man. Beauty. So the Lani.